Welcome to the Alberta Powersports YouTube channel. My name is Josh. Today we're going to be checking out and doing a demo ride on the Pitster Pro XJR110 and the Pitster Pro MXR90. They're both 2021 models, and we're going to have a few riders out there and go have some fun. This is the 2021 Pitster Pro XJR110 pit bike. It's a 110C 4-stroke engine, runs on 12-inch front wheel and a 10-inch back wheel. It's a semi-automatic system, so it's a 4-speed but no clutch, so it's a nice easy transition for some kids. Electric start and electric kill, but also has a kick start as well, just to get them used to doing that. They're a wicked bike to bomb around on. This is the 2021 Pitster Pro MXR90. It's a 90cc 4-stroke engine. Runs on both a front and rear 10-inch tire. It's a semi-automatic system, so no clutch, but it does have 4 gears and a little shifter down here, so it gets the little guys used to rolling. It has a kick start, but it also has an electric start and an electric kill. Sits about 23 inches off the ground and weighs 100 pounds. And they got some good little bomb to them, so we'll try it out. Let's go have some fun. What's up, everybody? We're up in Didsbury, Alberta. A little chilly today. This is our man Remington. He's going to be trying out the bikes to give you an honest review of what he thinks, maybe a few point outs. So whatever you find, man, go bomb around on it and let us know. So, what are some things you like about it?
I like the power on it. It's a lot better than the 50. But the only thing I have to disagree with is the handlebar setup. How it comes stock, not really good. And another thing, shifting, super hard on the foot.
It's a good ride though?
It is a good ride. It's a huge difference compared to the 50.
Cool. Awesome.
what do you think of the 90 with a full-grown adult and a 3-year-old? How's the power?
It's actually pretty damn good. I'm quite impressed with it.
We see you guys going up the hills with no issues. A little bit of an issue.
I was in the wrong gear, so it was driver error on that one.
And Jack, how you liking it, man?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's too small.
It's too small, yeah. Try it out.
I just want to use it.
Yeah, let us know what you think of the 90, Rennie.
How'd you like the 90 for being a grown-ass adult?
I think the 110's a lot better. It's got good power. Like, it's really got good power. You can see them going right now. But the 190 has the clearance on it that you can kind of fool around and hit jumps and whatnot, and you're not bottoming them out. So the 110's definitely where it's at. You sure? You're gonna wish you did.
So far, this thing feels a lot more like the 50.
So compared to the 50, which one do you like better? 50 or this one?
Oh, easily my 50. My 50 has a handlebar kit on it. Makes it sit up here. But one thing, the shifter is down a lot more than usual. It could be adjusted up more, but
That's the thing, is every ride is like
I'm just happy that we're doing like an honest.
Yeah, I like this.
I even handles nice.
Yeah.
Like the cornering is amazing.
I like it.
Say it to the camera.
I need one of these instead of the 50 for a mini bike. I do.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What do you think of the 110?
I like this thing, man.
How much are they?
About $2 grand.
$2 grand? That's
$2 grand Canadian.
Nobody knows how to do the half quick for the side. That's
Oh, it's way
It's like being on a vehicle.
Ride that! Come ride that!
Yeah, it's
Alberta Powersports.
That was pretty
Easy,
sweet.
yeah.
Yeah, you're like on a BMX bike.
I like it.
Overall, Remy,
Brave,
what
get over here.
do you think about the Pitster Pro?
I like them.
Yeah?
They're good.
Comfortable ride?
Yeah.
Suspension seemed to be real good on it. You cleared the table pretty much.
Yeah,
you
that's
did
a big jump for a little pit bike.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I like this.
Okay, everybody. Well, thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe, like,
Comment.
comment, comment, and join us out on the YouTube channel.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.